Dear friends, good morning. I Jaswant Singh Kelasia welcomes in our YouTube channel Parad Germinates the Democracy. This channel is also having an Hindi version named as Parad Loktantra Ka Ankuran. This channel is an official channel of our newly formed launched political party Parad. We consider that our this political party is the first and only political party of India. We have prepared a vision document of this party, and nowadays we are discussing about contents of some important chapter of this vision document. Now in this episode we are discussing the contents of chapter 10 of the vision document. The title of this chapter is The Ground Realities of So-Called Indian Democracy Hailed as Biggest, Greatest and the Live Democracy of the World. This chapter has been divided into 7 parts. This episode belongs to fourth part of this chapter 10, as that we have requested in previous episode that our party's vision document is purely a technical in nature and we are not perfect in speaking the English language, so we are directly reading the contents of this chapter like this. In backward areas, rural areas, interior tribal dominated areas, in the areas where lower castes, backward castes are living, and in ghettos and slum areas, please note that in these areas there are approximately 70% component of all voters resided. When any party candidate obtain approximately 30% of the total tendered votes from this group of voters, wins the election. Hence, all parties candidates focus more and more towards this chunk of voters. This chunk of voters, voter group is more or less naked, hungry, pauper, cowardly, physically weak, living in miserable conditions, suffers from superstitions, religiously influenced fanatics. The ruling class in the mask of different political parties, in lieu of a very petty, small, mean materialistic needs, being kept busy in cutthroat competition for tender their votes in their own favor. Hence, in these activities, as mentioned above, which candidate party comparatively manage well wins the election. Actually, the status of this very massive chunk group of voters is just like a parrot of circus, as we have described in earlier episodes. Since beginning, the ruling class brainwash said the mind and the body of the gullible people of India as a ringmaster does of a parrot of the circus, as described in previous episodes. When election declares, then as per their habit, just like the parrot, such voters put the stamp on the election symbol, say tip of gunpowder, now button of the EVM of the party candidate, from which the voters is influence maximally, taken maximum bribery, say grain, under pressure, maximum influence under the religious caste communal line, same as the parrot does according to the direction of ringmaster. Here, ringmaster means party candidate leader, wanted. Here, there is no any consideration of thoughts related to expression of the opinion in favor of respective candidate party, or say determination of the representatives amongst the respective people voters. Kindly please note that we have told earlier that there is a vast difference between to cast the vote and to express the opinion in favor of liked one candidate. The election system procedure and the multi-party parliamentary system of democracy of India is always helpful to ruling class as to keep and make always just like a parrot of the circus to the common man. Under this system procedure, the common man do the drill just like the parrot of circus. In this drill, voter has been trained and tamed in such a manner that a symbol of a particular party has been pierced in the heart and mind of the voter so that it put the stamp. Now press the button of EVM, only which symbol button is induced by some influential person. The voter, without applying logistic mind, in one hand keep the ballot paper and in other hand keep the stamp and put the impression mark of the stamp on a particular party's candidate's election symbol. Now press the button of EVM and then by folding it in a prescribed manner and drop this ballot paper in the ballot box and come out from the polling booth. Kindly note that this situation is actually just to drop a paper in a ballot box, but note the situation of expression of opinion views liberally without any influence, fear, pressure, and without any bribery and or greediness. Therefore, in India, the great majority of the voters are just like the parrot of the circus, and basically they are not able to understand that while during the drill of voting, actually what are they doing? Ultimately, what is the real meaning of the drill? In some party, allurement of some rupees and materials under certain pressure and undue influence, fear and terror by doing this drill, how this sovereign hit the axe on his own legs. It cuts that branch on which it is sitting by doing this drill. It only as per the direction of a certain leader put the stamp. Now press the button on a particular symbol in lieu of some immediate and mean considerations. Now the trade is over, the game is over. After completion of this trade, it is very foolishness and cowardliness for to complete the promises and commitments done in election campaign and mentioned in the election manifesto done by the different component of this ruling class, which makes the government with the help of and by using the different means of publicity and extension services, wall paintings, hoarding, bursting roar of loudspeakers, rallies, chanting of slogans, and by using so many tricks and tactics, such a atmosphere is created around the voters so that a particular election symbol of a particular party candidate can be embodied in their mind. You have also seen in India India, more trust, emphasis and importance is given on the election symbol. Every party candidate always tries their best that only its my election symbol must be embodied in the heart and mind of the voters, not of others. For this thinking, every party candidate keep them very alert and attentive in favor of our argument. The best example is this. In last general election of 2014, when Mr. Narendra Modi, by focusing election symbol lotus, took a photo and make it viral, then the opposite parties lodged a complaint in the election commission. For this act, there were hue and cry in all over India and in mainstream media. Friends, with this we end this episode. Presently, we are not requesting for subscribing the channel and liking and sharing it, but we request that kindly see at least 10 to 15 episodes in a serial manner. After this, we believe that you shall definitely be subscribe, like and share our channel. Thanks for being